Hi, we're on lesson 21, solving inequalities. So for part 1, we'll do questions 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. For part 2, we'll do questions 1, 3, 5, 7. For part 3, we'll do questions number 1 and 2. Okay, starting on, x plus 4 is greater than 9. We can solve inequalities almost as similar to as normal equations. Just think of this as an equal sign for now. So gotta leave x alone to solve what x is, so we subtract 4 on both sides. And get x is greater than 5. Number 3. 3x is less than 18. Gotta divide both sides by 3 and get x is less than 6. Number 5. Negative 2x is greater than 6. Okay, this is a new rule. This is a rule that's what makes solving inequalities different from other just equal sign equations. It's that when we're dividing negative numbers, the sign flips. For example, we got negative 2x is greater than 6. However, if we divide by negative 2 to both sides, the inequality goes from greater than and it switches to less than negative 3. Number 7. X over 3 is greater than or equal to 5. X times 3, you gotta multiply 3 on both sides to leave x alone. X over 3 times 3 and 5 times 3 is gonna be, cross these out, x is greater than or equal to 15. Gotta remember the greater than or equal to sign, always. Number 9. 7 plus x is greater than 10. Subtract 7 and get x is greater than 3. Nice job. Part 2. X is greater than 3. We're gonna graph this on a number line. So let's draw a number line. So we're gonna place our 0, 1, 2, 3. No, we'll do this too. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our point is on 3, and it says that it's stated that x is greater than 1, greater sign. When we have the greater sign with no line on the bottom, gotta draw an empty circle on 3. It's greater than, so gotta go to the right. X is greater than 3. There we go. Moving on, x is greater than or equal to 0. Zero, 1, 2, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. X is greater than or equal to 0. When we have or greater than or equal to, we gotta use an enclosed circle. Well, if we're just greater than with no equal to sign, it's just an open circle. greater than or equal to means that x can be 0 or any other numbers greater than 0. X is greater than 3 means x has to be greater than 3. So it can't be 3. The possibilities start from 4 to 5 to 4 to. Okay, now let's draw our graph on the number line. Let's draw it on the number line. So put the dot on the 0, greater than, so we go to the right. Nice job. 2x is greater than 8. To plot this on the number line, we'll have to solve it. We'll have to get x. 2x is greater than 8. Divide both sides by 2, and you get x equals, x is greater than 4. Put 0, 2, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 4. Circle. X is greater than 4, so this way. Last question of part 2. X minus 4 is greater than 1. It's greater than or equal to 1. X minus 4 is greater than or equal to 1. Add 4 to each side. Plus 4, and we get x is greater than or equal to 5. Do -1, -2, -3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. X is greater than or equal to 5. So enclosed circle, greater than or equal to. So this way. It stretches out to the right. Nice job. We're done with part 2. Part 3. Word problems. A movie ticket costs $12. You have 50 at most. How many tickets can you buy with $50? So each movie ticket costs 12. So 12T. This is how much a movie ticket costs. And we have $50. So to find how many movie tickets we can buy, we will have to figure out what T is. And T has to be less than $50 since we don't have money over $50. Our total amount of money is 50. So we have to use either 50 or less. So to leave T alone, we're going to divide both sides by 2, by 12. And you get T is less than 4 and 2 over 12. Since 12 times 4 is 48. 48 is 2. 2 over 12. Since we can't buy a half of a ticket, it's like you're ripping a ticket apart and you're only buying the small piece of it. That does not make sense in reality. The amount of tickets we can buy with $50 is 4. We only buy 4 tickets with $50. Nice job. Number 2, last question. A student must score at least 70 to pass. Write and solve an inequality equation. So a student must score at least 70. So it means he has to get either 70 or greater. 70 or greater. This equal sign refers that if the at least part, that he needs to get at least a 70. This would be our inequality. Thank you for listening. See you on next lesson.